In this video, you'll learn how to change the date and time settings on your Pixel 9a. By following these steps, you will ensure that your device displays the correct time and date according to your preferences. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 9a and locating the Settings app on your device. The Settings app typically features a gear icon. Tap on this icon to open the app. Once inside, scroll down the menu until you find the option labeled System. This section contains advanced settings for your device. Select System to proceed to the next screen. Here, you will see various options available for system management. After accessing the System menu, look for the option labeled Date and Time. Tap on this option to enter the date and time settings. In this section, you can manage all aspects of time settings on your device. It is crucial to verify that you are in the correct menu before making any adjustments, as this prepares your device for the necessary changes. To gain manual control over your date and time settings, first turn off the toggle for automatic date and time. This allows you to input the date, time, and time zone manually. Enter the correct information as needed. Additionally, you have the option to switch between 12-hour and 24-hour formats. Carefully check that all details are accurate before saving your changes. Maintaining the correct system time is essential, as it affects various apps and services on your device. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, exit the settings menu. You can do this by tapping the back arrow or simply pressing the home button. After exiting, check the updated time displayed on your home screen. If the changes do not appear immediately, consider restarting your device to ensure the updates take effect fully. It is important to confirm that all apps are showing the correct time, as this indicates that the update was successful. You have now successfully completed the process of changing the date and time settings on your Pixel 9a. Your device is now configured to display the correct date and time according to your preferences. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.